In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create or buy a miner inside of GoMining. So there's two ways to do this. The first way is to log into your account and go over to your mining farm over here and go down to miners. And as you can see, I have two down here, and you can create a miner right here. Then from here, you need to select the computing power, where you can either select 1 TH up to 5000 TH. Then you can also change the energy efficiency from either 20 WTH or 15 WTH. Down here, you can also see the rewards for having a 5000 TH or level 20 miner in your portfolio. And as you can see here, if you go over to daily, you'll have a net reward every single day for $178. Then from here, you can click next. And here you can either select the payment method either by credit card or by crypto, where you can choose all of these options down here. You can also add another payment method if you want to do that. Then you can click pay, or you can add a promo code if you want to do that. The second way is to go up to the marketplace and miners. Then you'll see other people's miners that has been listed for sale on GoMining's website. And if you want to buy it, you can simply click on it and click buy right here. And then you can see over here in the back, you can add the miners you want to have in your basket. Click next. You can add it to a virtual wallet, or you can add a wallet for your payment. Click next. And here you can either pay with either GoMining tokens, which is instant, or GoMining tokens, which will take a couple minutes. And then click pay right here, and then the miner will be bought and put into your portfolio. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!